the point of clearing the room is just to find if there are any geographic stress in the ground under us or in any of the ground around us that might interfere with the test and give us some false readings. So I'm trying to neutralize the room.
Nice. I'm probably an electromagnetic mess.
We're checking the room right now for geopathic stress. And we don't get the same, even though the machine is placed in the same spot all the time, we don't get the same geopathic stress all the time because the Earth is constantly changing.
Right.
So we'll see what we get. And today there's no major geopathic stress detected.
Right.
So there's nothing that needs to be neutralized. So we're going to move on to this calibration. And this calibration is just a handful of items from the test matrix. And they are things that the machine believes it knows how someone ought to respond. Like distilled water, there should be virtually no response to distilled water.
Right.
Rat poison or arsenic, on the other hand, there should be a massive response.
Yeah.
So it's just giving us 10 items just to see what this person's all about. How do they respond to things?
Okay.
And that will help them. That will help it gauge its response to all 10,000. And if I have a no response to the arsenic and a huge response to the distilled water, this is the point where it would tell me this person has a real reactivity dysfunction. And your test results may not be very reliable because they're reacting wildly to things they should and not reacting at all to things they should. So it's going to go through this calibration. This is called the handshake, where the machine gets to know the person. And then it's going to give us a percentage estimate of how accurate it believes the test will be based on this calibration.
So it has to go through the whole scan. It can't just, do one or the other.
Yeah, we can't just test one category of things.
That makes sense.
We have to test all of it. I can't. It would be nice if I could just test one category. Maybe someday they'll be able to, do that. So here we go. Calibration is complete.
Right.
And the machine is estimating that the test results are going to be 90% accurate.
Right.
So that's a really good reading. That means we're going to get results that we can, rely on. So now it's time to start the test. And during the test, I have to sit still and not talk for about 5 minutes. And but the object is to be still in a relaxed way and not stiff. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit and be quiet. And the test is starting right now.